Let me show you how you can make a spare key or fob for this Toyota Prius with the help of Tom's Key Company in about 10 minutes without leaving the driveway. Be sure you visit us, tomskey.com, where you can place an order to get the programming equipment and the spare keys or fobs that you need. We even have this awesome key by photo service where we'll cut the spare key before it ships to you. More on that at the end of the video. At the time this video is published, we have solutions for Toyota Prius from 2001 to 2021, and we're always working to add more vehicles to our website. This video demonstrates the process for a 2016 to 2021 Prius. I'm about to show you how to make a spare if you have at least one working key that starts your vehicle engine. If you've lost all your keys, be sure you pay attention for a solution near the end of the video. To keep things straight, I've got the original OEM key with the logo on the back, has the tile key finder. You can pick these up. It pairs to your smartphone so you never lose your key. Then we've got two aftermarket key fobs with the purple and orange tags. No logo on the back of those. To begin, come down near the gas and brake pedal, look around until you find the OBD2 port. You're going to plug our programmer in. This is the Tom's Key Company programmer model TSL2. Once it's plugged in, check out, you should have a red Bluetooth light. We include these phones with this particular programmer to make it easy to pair. Open up the Make My Key app. We're watching to get the phone paired with Bluetooth. Once this guy fires up, we should see it make the connection. There. Lights turn blue. We're paired. With the phone paired, it's time to enter the programming process. Coming into Toyota. There's some important warnings in terms of use. Need to accept those. All right, important step here. Turn the ignition on, don't start the engine. So I'm not going to push the brake pedal, I'm just going to hit the power button. Notice the vehicle is powered on, but not ready to drive. Coming to our smart key system. Because this is a push button start, it's a smart key system. Now we're going to hit auto identify, communicate with the vehicle, found that it's Prox 5. Let's hit OK. Turn the hazard lights on and press the brake pedal. To erase smart keys, this will get rid of all extra keys out in the world. So once this has been used to erase, this will be the only key that starts the vehicle. Use a program key to touch the start-stop button. So I'm going to put it right here. It just beeped, and it gave me a successful race notice. Add a smart key. Use a programmed working smart key to contact the start-stop button. So we'll take our existing key, touch it here. The vehicle beeped. Now it tells us to take a new key, touch the start-stop button. It's a purple one. Programming success. It beeped twice. Okay, we're going to add another smart key. Let's do the orange one. Same thing, take a programmed working smart key. Since I just programmed this purple one, I can use it. It beeped once. Now I can take this new one. Beeped again, gives me a programming success notice. Okay, we're done. It was that easy. I'm going to power off the phone, disconnect the programmer. Let's test the three of these out. Before I can test these out, I need to turn the car off. With the car turned off, let's test these out. That one still works great. Let's try the new ones. Here's the orange one. That one works great. Let's try the purple one. Purple one works. Excellent. Let's make sure they all start the engine. To do that, we need to get the keys out of the vehicle and only have one key fob in the vehicle at a time to make sure they work. And let's try starting the engine. Nothing. Should see that warning. Key not detected. Check key location. Okay, let's bring the keys back in one at a time. This orange one's the only one in the vehicle. Let's try starting the engine. There we go. Fired right up. It's ready to go. Let's turn it off. Let's try the next one. Purple one's the only key in the vehicle. Let's try it out. As a Prius owner, you know that you don't really hear an engine fire up, but it's all ready to drive. Turn the engine off, and for good measure, here's the original one. It fires up just great. Let's make sure the vehicle can drive. 3 working key fobs. Isn't that awesome? When you order from tomskey.com, be sure to order the full bundle. You'll need the programmer, 1 or 2 spare keys or remotes, and our key by photo service. That'll give you everything you need to make a spare at home. And you can get key by photo only from Tom's Key Company. Now let me show you the magic of our key by photo key cutting service. When you add your new key fob to the cart, it'll give you the option to add our optional key by photo key cutting service. After you complete checkout, get your key out, set it flat so we can see the cuts, get your phone directly above, and follow the link to upload 3 photos of your key. We'll cut it so it arrives already fitting, ready to go in your vehicle. It's that easy. Can you believe how easy that was? We've now got 3 key fobs for this Toyota Prius and saved hundreds of dollars in the process. At Tom's Key Company, we provide amazing customer service. So if you run into a problem, reach out to us. help@tomskey.com and we'll help solve the issue. And we know you came to us to get a working spare key. So if we can't solve the problem, no worries. We have a full money back guarantee. Just ship everything back, let us know, and we'll refund your money. It's that easy. If you have the unfortunate situation of having lost all your car keys, contact help@tomskey.com for assistance. Be sure you leave a comment down below and let other people know about your experience with Tom's Key Company. We want to help people just like you save money and time by avoiding the car dealership and make a spare key without leaving home. Don't forget to subscribe to the video and like it so you can come back and find this when you're programming your spare key.